Hello, friends. This is Raki. Welcome to my channel. I am glad you have visited here. I am hoping that at the end of my videos, I am able to help you in my small little ways. My channel is for Thosia, who wants to start a YouTube channel. B, who wants to grow their channel since C, loves YouTube tutorials. One of them, please join in my channel through subscribing, commenting about your ideas, hit like button as well. Happy to be a part of your journey here in YT world.
Now let's begin.
Let's go back here to our YouTube account. The next thing that we will do here in your channel, this one is to you can edit your channel. So let's go first to edit your channel. So either you are going to name that as Ira Simagala or you are going to change that into another name. For example, YouTube journey step by step. Let's try if we can make it. Okay, YouTube journey step by step. So we name our channel now as a YouTube journey step by step. You can add your description here. Add a description. So this hello, welcome. Hello. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, we will be tackling about how to become how to start your YouTube channel, how to start a YouTube channel, how to grow our YouTube, how to grow a YouTube channel, tips and tutorials for YouTubers or YouTubers, vloggers, content creators. If you want this kind of videos, feel free to subscribe, click the notification bell, so you will be updated in my uploads. Don't forget, don't hesitate to give your comments, and suggestions. in every video you watch. Let us all be friends and grow together. Grow together and support each other here. I'll be glad to be of help. To be of help to you. To all of you who have just started. Or want to start their YouTube journey. Once again, this is Rocky, your friend. YouTube content, your co-content creator. Your YouTube content creators, content creator friend, creator's friend. Friend. Enjoy. So you can also keep all my subscription private, keep all my save playlist private if you want, and you can also make that as public. So if you want to make it as public, you untick that, and if you have subscribed to other channels, they will be able to see that if you will turn this off. But if you want to turn this on, so it is already private. So for that, let's all keep we will not keep all our subscription private. We'll make it as public. Okay? So after that, we will be making a banner. So if you are done here, so that's it. YouTube journey step by step. You have already. And here, as you can see, no subscribers yet. Of course, it is expected. You can now start uploading your first video here if you want to start uploading your first video. So thank you so much for watching, until our next video. Bye.